Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello, darling. Today we're going to be making sweet and spicy honey roasted barbecue chicken. You know it's going to be sopped up, okay? But before we do that, y'all know y'all got to go download my cookbook. It's up in my description box. Make sure you do that. And if you want to know how I lost over 115 pounds eating this type of sopped up food and don't deprive myself of food and whiskey, go ahead and download my ebook. It's in the description box too. All right, so we're going to make our rub for the chicken. So what I'm doing, all this going to be up in the description box. And you know I'm using my favorite thing. Shout out to all of my Latinos and my Latinas. We're using some SAZON. And we're also going to be using some salt and some pepper. Okay? Also going to be using some garlic powder, some onion powder, and we got to also give it a little bit of kick. Now, this your chicken, do what you want to do. We're going to use some smoked paprika and some cayenne. Now, if you don't like it too spicy, then, honey, don't put a lot of cayenne up in there, honey. You don't want nobody choking on your chicken, honey. Then we're going to add our Knorr seasoning, because you know I love that. That's going to make it real sopped up. Then we're going to blend it up. All right, then we're going to take our chicken. I'm using the whole chicken, but you can use chicken pieces if you want to, child. It's your chicken. Do what you want to do, child. It's your stuff. All right, you're just going to pat your chicken dry, because you want to remove all the moisture from the chicken, okay? Because you want that skin to be nice and crispy. So pat it dry with a little paper towel. You see I got mine on paper towel, okay? Then I'm going to take some butter, because I want my stuff to be sopped up. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of butter. I'm going to rub the chicken with the butter, okay? Just violate it just a little bit, okay? Make the chicken a little bit uncomfortable, like, what you doing? Okay? Now we're going to take some liquid smoke, and we're going to just rub that on there, too. And I'm greasing my cast iron skillet, because you know I roast everything up in my cast iron, honey. And I'm just going to take that seasoning that we put together, and we're just going to rub our chicken with it. Now, that seasoning is good for everything, honey. So just set it to the side, honey, put a little mason jar or something like that, and just sprinkle it on everything, child. So we're just going to take the seasoning. We're going to just rub our chicken with it. Okay, get all up in the creases and the crevices of the chicken, honey. Just massage it, honey. Just like it's your man rubbing you down, honey, after a long day or something, honey. Like Carl Tyrone rub it down, child, okay? That you want to do, you want to just cross the legs, because this is our lady. Our chicken is a lady, okay? Her name Miss Peaches, okay? We're going to cross the legs. We're going to tuck the wings back, okay? So our wings don't burn, okay, on Miss Peaches. And look at Miss Peaches. Don't she look like she just sitting there with her legs crossed all cute, honey? Like, hey, like she waiting on a cocktail on the beach. Look at the chicken, y'all, look. Y'all know I ain't lying. Okay, pop it in the oven on 425 for about 1 hour, okay, or until the chicken is nice and tender and the skin is crispy. While it's in the oven, we're going to go ahead and start on our barbecue sauce. The recipe will be in the description box, or the ingredients will be. Don't y'all worry. Y'all know I got y'all. Okay, so we're going to start with some ketchup, because you can't make barbecue sauce without ketchup. And this is just kind of like a wing it thing. You just do this to your taste, okay? So I'm adding a little bit of our seasoning, okay, and I'm adding some Worcestershire sauce, some hot sauce, because we want to have a little kick. If you don't like it spicy, don't add a lot of it. And then we're going to add some honey, because I want mine a little sweet and sopped up, okay? And I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar, because I want my neck to snap. I want my mouth to pop just like that. I like a sweet and tangy kind of barbecue sauce. We're going to let that boil for about 30 minutes, and it's going to come out looking just like this, nice and sticky and sweet. So we're going to take our chicken out, remove it from the oven. Once it's, nice and tender and the skin is crispy, we're going to just brush it, honey, okay? Brush that sauce on there. Get all up in the creases and the crevices of that chicken, honey. Don't let no parts of that chicken go without that sopped up sauce, all right? Get all up in there. And look at Peaches. She just sitting there relaxing, letting you just brush all on her. We're going to pop it back into the oven for about 15 minutes, and it's gonna come out looking just like this. Ha! Good and sopped up. Now, one tip you can do, if you like extra sauce on yours, you can glaze it twice. So just glaze it again, put it in the oven, and then take it out. However many times you want to do it. It's your chicken, honey. Glaze how many times you want to. And as you can see, it is nice, juicy, tender, and that sauce is nice and sticky. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.